Hello and welcome back to Scriptcase by Jamie, and this is again the template series, and here we are checking out the various templates that are available within Scriptcase. So the idea really is not to just have a look at what it's all about, but also to see what you can learn or copy, replicate, duplicate, and even make your own from what is available within the Scriptcase environment. So I do hope you are liking this series so far, and if not, well, let me know in the comments. If you don't tell me nothing, then how am I meant to know? But okay, I guess some of you are quite happy you are joining as members, so thank you very much. Welcome members. Members, that's a good thing because you guys are, of course, learning more over there in the knowledge base that you have available to you, as well as, of course, all of the membership perks. So, congratulations. Okay, let's get back on topic, shall we? We are looking at templates. So within these templates that we have available to us for free within the Scriptcase environment, we are able to copy the various applications. We can actually copy the entire project and make the entire project our own, or individual applications. Or best of all, we can copy the code and even learn from how various aspects of those applications have been achieved. Now that is of course very important because in some of these applications you see some things that we generally do not do very often on the Scriptcase channel. So it is important if you are a Scriptcase developer and there is something specific you may want to achieve, maybe in one of these templates here, you will find what you are wanting. And that is, of course, partially the idea of this series. So let's dive in, shall we? We have so far done a few of these, and today let's go ahead and check out here the HealthCare system. Okay, so this is a template for medical clinics designed to create medical schedules and manage electronic medical records of patients. Nice. Okay, so let's go next and let's check out here the database. We choose then the SQLite so that it's automatic in a tiny little file there somewhere. And of course, we could copy that, reuse that, edit that, or ideally, have the project generate within a real database. I say real SQLite, yes, I know it is a real database, but it's not that real. Come on, it's a file. Okay, so generate source code. Let's go ahead and do that so we can check out this template that we have available to us and see what it looks like and what it can offer us and teach us, of course. Okay, so here we have 39 applications available to us, and yes, that generated quite nicely. So let's go ahead and run this project and see what it looks like. So on the front page here, we have a nice login. We have here the login details for an administrator, doctor, nurse, clerk, and a single password. So this will then be the password for all of these logins. And of course, they all have different content. So let's come here and go receptionist. And let's have a look here at the receptionist option. So as a receptionist logging in here, look at that. We have a lot of information here already. Some nice charts on the schedules of the month, categories, top diagnosis, doctors, as well as some nice statistics here, all provided nicely within the dashboard application and using some chart or even grid applications that I do not know without looking deeper into this into this template. So we have here a nice dashboard, schedule of the day. So let's have a look here for Joanne. Here is Joanne's schedule. We have then also patient information available here. And let's have a look here then also the schedule for Megan. Oh, there's a nice schedule with a calendar. So this is all categorized very nicely. Looks really cool. And of course, we are able to here make changes to what information we want to see and so forth. And that has actually opened up as a separate tab there, which is nice. And let's see, what else do we have? We have here the cadasters, whatever that means. So we have patients and doctors. Does it mean cadavers maybe? I don't know. Okay, and doctors here. So those are, of course, the basic lists. And there we have then the security option to change our password. So let's go ahead and exit. And let's this time log in as the nurse. And let's log in here again. And here we have this time a slightly different dashboard. No, it's very similar information actually from what I can tell. Schedule of the day, again, nursery events we have here. And we have here the status, where we can then change the status of people as well as edit information there for the medical history. We have here then again the schedule available, and what else? Again, patient information, of course, no doctor information. Okay, that's all lovely. Let's go ahead then and exit that this time, and let's skip the doctor. Well, actually, let's not skip the doctor. Let's check out the doctor as well, because of course the doctor would be the most important person here within the medical clinic, and they would want to see specific information, I would think. So let's go ahead and log in and see what difference we have. So I have straight away the doctor, well, Paul's live, Paul's schedule here, because Dr. Paul, right? And here I can then view patient information. I can create a new agenda. Nice. And I can then add here records. Well, I can add extra information here, as well as change the schedule information and edit information also. So that's quite nice. It seems pretty complete there, which is really cool. And then we have here also the schedule of the day, so I can view the schedules again, and again patient information. And of course the schedule here will be the doctor's schedule, and again we have there the same chart that we were viewing here and here, and of course those are all available there. So let's log out first of all and check the admin here, and let's log in. And for the admin we have again here a nice dashboard, schedule of the day, the nursery events, again for sure with all the same options as we have seen just now, which is very nice. We have here extra settings, schedule is again all the people, patients, doctors and nurses we have available here for the admin. And then for the settings here, we can specify the treatments, indicate the colors for those treatments, the specialties, the available time, as well as the menu links. Okay, so then we are using here a dynamic menu, and we have here all of the security options available. So that is a pretty awesome template, I must say, out of the others so far. It is definitely much nicer in the functionality and the way it works. I wish maybe Scriptcase could update all of the other templates we have seen so far and really give them a bit more spice, so that they look deserving. I think in comparison, this one is for sure the nicest out of all of them. I'm sure you all agree. Do you not? If you do, if you don't, let me know in the comments. Just have to let me know down there. And of course, then we can maybe have a little debate going or something. Okay, so that is it for this template. Let's have a look then at the options, or the applications that we have available here. And here we have a menu application, a login application, a blank start. So let's have a look here at the blank start. And this is then just some no, it's not. It's actually event information. So let's add here the group ID with our doctor, and it's all security locked. So, and of course it's actually redirecting me here as well. So it's redirecting me to the dashboard, the nursery events and so forth, depending on which doctor that is. So this application, this blank application, has really just been used as a check to see whether the variable provided is correct, or which variable it is, and then checking that with the relevant doctor, and then redirecting that person, or that user, should I say, to the correct application. And that is where we have here the chart event category, chart event date, doctors, chart of medical history. So we could redirect them to a different chart depending on which group they are, for instance. Okay, so here within the medical section, we have here the generate events. It should be pretty interesting to check out, because this was the option to change the event for the doctor. And of course, we have all the code in here for that. And checking the event, we have some information here on the onload event, where we adjust the date and time, or the start date and time, should I say. And we are then providing an error message. And then on validate success, well, here we are again for each event. We are then making changes or adjustments and inserts and updates to the database. Okay, so that is actually a great deal to learn from within this template. So it isn't only one of the better looking templates that is available within Scriptcase. It seems to me to also have a lot of those Scriptcase components that you would want to learn about when developing within Scriptcase, because of course you can create those dynamic menus, and you have examples of that within this. You are also able to generate events as well as use Ajax and so forth, and you have a great deal of that right here within this template. So it is for sure one of the better templates that we have looked at so far in this series, and definitely one worth copying, duplicating, reusing for your own purposes, your own business, whatever that may be. And of course, Scriptcase is the way. Okay, so we also have here the people folder, the security folder, which is default group security by the looks of it, and then also the settings forms here. So do give them a run over and check this template out. It does seem to be one of the cool ones out of those that are available, especially on the learning scale of things. There you will for sure learn something. Okay, I think that is it for this video. We've checked out this entire template. It is very nice. Of course, the idea of it is to see whether it has any purpose for you, whether it's ideal for you, and of course, again, what you can take away from this template. So I hope you are enjoying this series, and of course, let me know in the comments. Say something. And if not, well, there is always a membership. You can join up and get some really nice goodies, but that is all up to you. So thank you very much for joining, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow the social channels. Instagram seems to be the better one. There you have some nice tips and content added also now, again, on a daily basis. Maybe I will actually increase that some more. We'll see as we go, because of course there is more content to create. So thanks very much for watching. Be safe, and until the next time.